While everyone else is stuck back there, we'll have you relaxing in the lounge with a drink in no time.
Sounds much better than waiting in line.
Keep moving, you cannot park here.
Move the car, we are getting late for our flight.
Navigating Delhi Airport's immense crowds can be stressful. With professional assistance, you can bypass the queues and save time.
Wondering how it works? Here is a step-by-step breakdown of your stress-free journey with us.
Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Chen. We've been expecting you. The car is right here.
Good morning, thank you. Yep.
Here you go.
All set. Have a smooth flight.
Thank you.
T2 hours, and we're already through security thanks to the fast track lane.
Once the hard work is done, it's time to breathe. We escort you to a premium lounge.
We keep an eye on the flight status. When it's time, we walk you or arrange a buggy, subject to availability, right to the aircraft door.
Who is this for?
I'm arriving now. Have the London presentation ready in PDF format. I'll review it in the car on the way to the meeting.
Traveling with kids is a military operation. We manage the luggage cart so you can hold your child's hand, ensuring zero stress.
The gate is just around this corner. We know it can be a long walk, so we're happy to help.
That is very thoughtful. We certainly appreciate the company.
Common mistakes that cause missed flights. Even smart travelers make mistakes. Here is how our Delhi Airport Departure Meet and Assist prevents them.
Delays are frustrating, but with us, the experience changes. We ensure you are comfortable, assist with rebooking. Ready for a smooth departure?